Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2011 Ford Taurus SE. Under the hood we have a 3.5-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in gray. You do also have the Ford badging with your chrome accenting on the grille. You have projector-style headlights right there as well. And coming around the side here we do have our tires. They look fantastic. We do also have the 17-inch rims on them, looking great. You do have your mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we do have our Ford as well as the Taurus badging and your tailpipes just down there. Open this guy up. Lots and lots of room back here. Looks fantastic. You can lift this up and you got your spare tire just underneath there as well, and you can fold those seats forward. Okay, we have our keys here. We have 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You do have your panic button there and that one to open up the back. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here, as well as a bit of chrome accenting on your handle here, and a nice soft spot to put your arm. You do have some storage just down there as well. Looks great in here. The cloth seats are very comfortable. You got the electric seats down here, so backward and forward, as well as that guy there. Then you also have the controls of your lights, so you're off, you're on, your daytime running lights, and your auto, as well as you got your in-cabin light control right here. And right up here, we do have the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have right in the center there our trip A, and we can switch that around to our oil life there. We also got units, we got auto lamp, auto lock, all sorts of different options there you can change around, as well as you do have all sorts of different guys here. So you do have your cruise control options here, horn in the center, and some volume and skip and media buttons there. This one does control the little guy in the middle that's just showing you. You got your hazard lights and all that there. You got your radio right here, presets. You also have your direct tune. You have your scan, text. You have your folder there, skip and seek and all that. Menu, sound, phone, and clock. You also down here do have your CD player with your eject and your load. Then you also have your volume up and down with the power. FM and AM, Sirius, you got your SD and your aux cord, as well as your direct tuner there. This one does open up the trunk. Then you have your defrosts here, your power, where it's going to blow out of, your AC, circulation, and max AC. Power here, as well as the heat and cold. Press this little guy, and you got some storage just in there as well. A little bit of storage in here. You got your gear shift right here, just like that. Then you got some cup holders and an armrest that you can lift up. You got lots of room in there as well. You got your aux cord plug-in and all that right there. You can move that guy if you did want. Then over here we do have our locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have that same chrome accenting. You got the control of your windows handle and another handle here. Looks great back here. Same material as the front. You can pull this guy down and you got some cup holders and an armrest. You can also pull this guy right here. And you can fold that down just like that. Then you have access to back there or just more space. And there's our 3.5-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2011 Ford Taurus SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.